Tequila is a popular alcoholic drink that many people enjoy, but if you're watching your calorie intake, you may be wondering how many calories are in a shot of tequila. In this article, we will answer this question and provide you with some low-calorie tequila cocktail recipes that you can enjoy without packing on the pounds. How many calories in a shot of tequila? The calorie count of a shot of tequila varies depending on the type of tequila and the serving size. On average, a 1.5-ounce shot of tequila contains around 96 calories. However, if you add high-calorie mixes like sugary sodas or fruit juices, the calorie count can go up significantly. How to enjoy tequila without packing on the pounds? Here are some tips to enjoy tequila without compromising your health. Stick to one shot. Limit your serving size to one shot to keep your calorie intake in check. Choose high-quality tequila. Opt for high-quality tequila, which is smoother and requires fewer mixes. Mix with low-calorie options. Use low-calorie mixes like fresh lime juice, sparkling water, or diet soda to keep your calorie count low. Low-calorie tequila cocktail recipes to try at home. Recipe 1: Skinny Margarita. Recipe 2: Tequila Sunrise. Recipe 3: Paloma. Discover in description of the video the complete article on our blog with preparations of the recipes.
Don't forget to claim below the video in the description your online course about brain reboot, lose fat like crazy. It is not a strict diet, hard to keep, but a 7-step brain reboot. It's like a washing pressure for our insides, and we keep it fun and easy to apply. One video per day for 7 days to change forever your habits and reach the body shape that reflects your inner personality, provides you confidence, and makes you proud of yourself.